Happy 4th of July.
Stand! Now turn around! Let's go! Let's go!
Hey, what's going on? Why aren't they starting yet?
The fireworks show will commence shortly. I know I couldn't trust them. You guys only got one firework? That's it. I'm calling it off.
Hand it over. I'm also the guy who's gonna blow you off.
I think I got an idea.
Hector!
All right, you guys. Somehow, you managed to top last year's fireworks show. I'm putting you four in charge, replacing the 3 football fields you just burnt!
Don't worry, I know a guy.